Now, how would you show your iPad screen on YouTube videos? Let's talk about it. And if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. The first way or the first thing we have to do is to capture the screen, like to record it. And you can do this by swiping down so it says the control center and look for the screen recording button. If you don't have it, click the plus, then add a control and bring the screen recording option or button to your control center. Now, once we have it, we can tap on it anytime we want. The little countdown will begin our screen recording, so then I can move to any application I want, right? I can just show my notes or whatever I want to share on YouTube, right? Once we are done, I have to ensure that I stop the screen recording by clicking on the button in the top corner, then confirm it again by tapping on the stop button. And I now have a finished screen recording inside of my Photos app. This is fine and everything, but usually you are not gonna want to share every single thing you just capture. Like, for example, there are some parts at the beginning that you probably want to cut out or at the end, right? So I recommend people to get a video editor where you can further enhance your videos before you actually publish. Some people like to use iMovie video editor, but I'm not a big fan. It's kind of basic, so I like to use CapCut video editor, and this one lets me import my screen recording into the timeline like that, and I can perform a bunch of different changes, right? So I can, as I said, add effects or even trim it from the beginning, cut out some middle parts where nothing happened, or, do whatever I need. But after I'm done, I can click on the export button and have the video edited and ready to be published on YouTube or literally anywhere else. So that's how I like to do this. Let me know in the comments below if you learned something new in this video, or if you have some questions, go ahead and share them in the comments as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.